Donruss 90 Cello Pack Box. This will be video 2 of 2, Cello Pack 2 of 2. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 to see what we pulled. Also to see what rookies we're looking for, as well as error cards where corrected cards were made that we're looking for. 37 cards, 1 Grand Slammer card, 2 puzzle cards, giving us 6 puzzle pieces, the puzzle being Carl Yastrzemski. Picked up this box from McNulty Sports Cards, and it looks like we're down to 3 more cello packs. And what's going on here? What is that all about? That's actually kind of interesting. And you know what, y'all? This feels very... This does not feel like cards. This does not feel like card stock. See how I'm going like this with this card? This is a lot more flimsy. That's interesting, y'all. There is nothing wrong with this except for the fact that, that is, you know what? We're going to hang on to this because this is definitely a lot more flimsy than traditional card stock. And we've got this. Well, all right. Well, Kirby Puckett's MVP, I guess. Bonus card. Yeah, we're going to hang on to that. That might be the one and only one like that we get. Got Ken Griffey Sr., Tom Pagnazzi, John Franco, Mike Kingery, Eric Plunk, Kelvin Schiraldi, George Bell, R.J. Reynolds, Wallace Johnson, Pascual Perez, and hold on a sec. There we go. Had a little something on that. There's our 2 puzzle pieces. They should be in order. Our 2 Carl Yastrzemski puzzle pieces. Yep, and they are. Looks like maybe you have his left shoulder there. So good deal on our consecutive puzzle pieces. Looks like our Grand Slammers card for this cello pack goes to Mike Socia. So very cool on the Grand Slammers card. Here's the checklist. Got Bob Ojeda. MVP card of George Bell. That's going to be a bonus card. And so we've got his base card and his MVP. Mike Devereaux. Terry Mulholland. Mark Lemke. Robin Yount. Phenomenal player Robin is. We'll throw him some love. Jeff Hamilton. Kurt Schilling. Rob Dibble. Tim Laudner. Carlos Martinez. Jeff Ballard. Rated rookie of Sandy Olimar Jr. This is going to be his 2nd year card, not his true rookie. Tracy Jones. Donruss Diamond Kings card of Dan Gladden. Rich Yet. Tim Tuffle. Got Tim Tuffle and Rob Dibble in the same pack. Check out the YouTube video of those two getting into a fight after Rob beaned Tim on a pitch. It's a pretty wild fight. Got Robbie Thompson, Steve Baldoni, Gary Pettis, Bruce Hurst, MVP card of the late Mike Greenwell, Tony Armas, Ice Donruss Diamond Kings card of Bo Jackson. We'll take that. Checklist card number 300. Let's just make sure this isn't... No, it's not. Not one of the errors. And MVP card of Vaughn Hayes. Very nice. So Picked up some MVPs. We got the late, great Mike Greenwell. Rest in peace to Mike. And you see how, well, it's probably tough to see, but we've got Kirby Puckett's MVP, and just a very interesting setup on this very flimsy card. Very interesting. Picked up Robin Yote, threw him some love. And picked up DKs of Bo Nose and Dan Gladden. That was a good pack, y'all. Very good pack. All right, folks, there you have it. Video 2 of 2, pack 2 of 2, 1990 Donruss 37 card cello pack from the box. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe and stay tuned.